this video, I'm going to show you how you connect your OKX, that is for the SUI task, how you can connect it to your MemeFi. And all you simply have to do is look at this logo here, this OKX logo with an SUI on it. You simply click on it and you're going to get to this page. But this is not what you need to do first. Go and install OKX from Play Store and make sure you get a good VPN so you can change your country in case it doesn't work. And the second thing you want to do is, as for me, I'm going to be importing my wallet from MemeFi. I'm going to be importing this wallet into my OKX, but you can create a new one. It doesn't matter. To import, you simply click on these settings and you can either click to preview or you can just click to copy to clipboard, which I'll just do. And the next thing, you go to your Play Store and download OKX. So I have OKX downloaded and installed already. I'll just go ahead and open it up. Now, for this OKX, it's divided into two parts. You have the exchange and then you have the wallet. What we are making use of is the wallet. So look at this wallet here. You click on this wallet option and you wait until this page loads and change up. You can see, welcome to Web3. Now, just like I've told you, you can either create a new wallet or you click on this, I already have one, and then you import. As for me, I want to import my MemeFi. You don't have to do as me, you can create. It's not harmful, it's still the same process. Now, I want to import. So what I'll do is I'm going to use this. All right, so I'll click on this and paste. I'm pasting the secret or the private key I copied from my MemeFi. So, all right, they also require that I create a password, so I'll go ahead and create one. Porting, I'm going to select EVM. I'm using EVM compatible so that it's going to accumulate or accommodate all of this network instead of just going ahead to click on only SUI. So I'm going to pick on EVM and then you click on confirm. So my wallet has been imported successfully and you can see my balance from MemeFi is now displaying on this page. Now the next thing you want to do is head back into this your MemeFi bot, and then I'm going to head back on this page just like what I showed you to do at the initial. You click on this OKX logo again, then you click on check task and you wait for this page to load up. Sometimes it can take time. So I have been clicking here for over some minutes now and it's not working. So the alternative is simply head into your OKX, and on this page you can see, look at this sliding menu. Make sure you are on this check eligibility for airdrop for MemeFi. So you click on the check and you allow it to open and look at it here. So the next thing now, you click on connect to Telegram. So it's not opening up. I'll go ahead and open up my VPN now and try this again. So I've connected my VPN and let me try again. So after connecting my VPN, you can see the page has now opened up, and the next thing to do now is click on this continue button on the page, and I'm expecting this to redirect me into Telegram. Okay, so I'll go ahead and select my country, put in Nigeria, and I'll be using my Telegram mobile number. All right, so you can see I am done, and once this is connected successfully, your coin balance is going to be displaying here. The spins you have left is going to be displaying. MemeFi Premium, yes. Turn transaction, yes. Telegram stars, yes. And that is basically that about that. So we are done with this connection. And the next thing I want to do now is to head into my MemeFi bot, and let me click on this check task again to see if something new is going to come up. But then it doesn't matter. Once you got that and your balance are displayed successfully, it means it is connected, and that is a simple way to go about it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and with the link in the description box, join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel for updates.